Since Repair Clinic encourages you to perform this repair safely, a warning icon will appear when you should use caution. Before you replace the warming drawer front on your gas range, be sure to unplug the power cord or shut off the power supply. Pull out the drawer and remove the rack. Next, use pliers to bend the slide rails outward to fully detach the drawer assembly. This may require some effort. Set the drawer upside down on a sturdy surface. Use a Phillips head screwdriver or a No. 2 square drive bit to unthread the screws at the bottom of the front panel. Turn the drawer assembly over and remove the top screws. Detach the drawer from the front panel. Set the insulation and the inner panel aside. Unthread the mounting screws to release the drawer handle. You're now ready to prepare the new drawer front for installation. Align the handle on the new front panel. Reposition the support washers, then thread and tighten the mounting screws. Position the inner panel and the insulation. Align the drawer on the front panel and rethread the top screws. Turn the drawer assembly over and rethread the bottom screws. With both slide rails pulled out, align the slots in the drawer assembly with the tabs on the slide rails and snap the assembly into position. Plug the power cord back in or restore the power supply, and the gas range should be ready for use.